May?
Yes?
You're pretty busy looking this way and that way, kiddo.
We've got to make sure nobody's watching us. We can't be seen together. We have to be on the lookout. Ah!
What?
Look over there!
What? What is it?
Berries! There! Look at how red they are!
Yeah.
They look so good.
Do you want me to go pick some for you, kiddo?
Will you?
I'll go get the red ones on top.
No thanks.
No?
That's okay.
Why not?
Wolves don't eat berries, do they?
Sure. Wolves eat berries.
They do?
Yeah, sometimes.
Really?
Really.
Oh, I'm so glad to hear that wolves eat berries too.
I picked a lot. Want to find a place to eat them?
Yes. Yum. These are so good. How lucky am I to be sitting here next to you, eating these berries.
Here, you can have all of mine, too.
Are you sure? Thank you, Gabu.
Glad you like them. I think I like meat better than berries anyway.
Oh, so you're thinking I'd be a tasty lunch.
What? No, it never crossed my mind.
But just for a moment there, didn't you think that I'd be pretty good to eat?
No! I mean, well, just a little. No way! I wasn't thinking like that at all.
I wonder. I bet you thought I would be the tastiest goat around.
Well, yeah, but then, no, never! I would never think like that.
Gabu?
Well, yeah, I guess. But it was just for a split second. Honest, just one teeny tiny split second.
That's what I thought. Goat meat is supposed to be tender and juicy, right?
Yeah, you said it. Tender and juicy. No! What are you trying to get me to say?
Just what I thought. You're a wolf, and you're thinking of gobbling me up one day.
No, you're wrong. You are a very special friend, and I wouldn't ever think of eating you. Besides, I don't even like goat meat.
I don't believe you.
I'm telling the truth.
I still don't believe you.
But it's the truth.
I just don't believe you.
You've got to believe me.
Okay, I believe you.
Oh, there's nothing harder than trying to convince a friend to believe you. Try standing in my shoes sometime.
Stand in your shoes?
Huh?
Okay, you're on. How?
What?
I'm made a wolf.
What? What are you doing?
I'm going to eat you, Gabu the goat.
What?
Growl.
So, what's this about the legendary white wolf?
Well, they say he's really something.
He's big, white, noble, and strong.
He doesn't belong to any pack. A true lone wolf. His eyes are piercing and can freeze his opponents.
He's ferocious, heartless, brutal, and wherever he walks,
Even the weeds die and never grow back.
And you guys believe that kind of talk? Waste of time.
But it might be true, buddy.
Yeah, lots of guys have seen him. But none of them have been eaten up, have they?
No, but... wait, buddy!
Wait for us!
You are. And a very cute wolf at that.
A cute wolf? A wolf's not cute. I'll tell you what a wolf is. A wolf has sharp, pointy eyes, and an ugly nose, and a humongous mouth that drools.
Oh, is that the way we look to a goat?
Yes, wolves are scary and disgusting.
That's downright awful.
Right! That's the reason we're gonna play this game. Growl!
Reason? What reason?
No more questions, Goat. I'm gonna gobble you up.
Oh, help! Help! This goat is gonna run away.
You won't get far, Goat. I'm a wolf, and I'm gonna catch you.
And there you have it. Thanks for watching.